Are you ready to peek into the future of AI? Buckle up, because today, we're exploring Gemini Pro, a revolutionary model that's rewriting the rules of interaction and intelligence. Imagine a machine that understands you like your best friend, solves problems like a seasoned genius, and creates art that rivals the masters. That's the promise of Gemini Pro, Google's next-generation AI powerhouse. It's not just a tool, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. Unprecedented access and knowledge integration. Before we begin, let's highlight one of Gemini Pro's most impressive USPs, its unparalleled access to information and knowledge integration. Unlike many AI models, Gemini Pro isn't limited to a predefined dataset. It boasts direct access to the vast resources of the internet, allowing it to constantly learn, adapt, and expand its knowledge base. This real-time access grants it an unprecedented understanding of the world and empowers it to tackle complex challenges that would be impossible for other AI models. The multimodal playground. Forget dry text-based interactions. Gemini Pro speaks your language, literally. It understands words, images, and even sounds, weaving them together to create an immersive experience that's intuitive and natural. Imagine asking for a recipe and seeing a personalized video tutorial, complete with shopping list and interactive cooking guide. That's the power of multimodality. From code to canvas. Want to compose a symphony or write a novel? Gemini Pro can help you unleash your inner artist. It can generate realistic music, code stunning visuals, and even craft compelling stories, pushing the boundaries of creative expression. Now, you can turn your wildest ideas into reality, no matter your skill level. Always learning, always evolving. Unlike other AI models that stagnate, Gemini Pro is constantly learning and evolving. It absorbs new information like a sponge, adapting its understanding and capabilities to stay ahead of the curve. This means you'll always have access to the most cutting-edge technology, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Gemini Pro is more than just an AI model, it's a glimpse into the future. It's a glimpse into a world where technology not only understands us, but empowers us to achieve anything we can imagine. And, the best of it, IT is completely free. I am a convert, with the intuitive UI and what feels like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Muff and other AI tools combined. It is by far the best AI tool I've tried for general purposes. P.S. The script of this video is also written by Gemini Pro.
We got interested in AI from the very beginning is that we always viewed our mission as a timeless mission. It's to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful.